Good morning, students. Yesterday, in brief, we studied what is logarithm, its definition part. Today, we shall see how to apply that definition to solve the problems. So, yesterday, what we studied in the logarithm, that if there is given a to the power m equals to n, if this condition is satisfied, then we used to write log n to the base a. This value becomes equals to m. And one log is also there, a to the power log x. This also should be kept in mind. Base a, this value is equal to x. These two concepts we shall study together. And the question based on this concept we shall see. So see the question number first of exercise 6th A, given in exponential form and asked express them in the logarithmic form. Question number first A. What is given? Given 10 to the power 5 is equals to 1 lakh, and asked express it in the logarithmic form. Just see it from here. A to the power m equal to n. So in place of n, what is given? This value is given. In place of a, what is given? A equals to given 10, n equals to given 1 lakh, and m equals to given 5. So just put the value here and you will get the answer. So if you put the value, what shall we have? Its logarithmic form will be log 1 lakh base of 10 is nothing but 5. That will be our answer using this formula. Similarly, the G part of first question itself. First question G parts. What is given in the G part? Given p to the power q equals to r. Again, compare with this a to the power m equal to n. So what is a? We shall write here, on equating with a to the power m equals to n, then a equals to p, q equals m equals to q, and n equals to r. Then second part, log n base a, log n, that is log r base a, that is base p, equals to f, that is q. Means in the first question we have to do nothing, but we have to apply the only definition part of the logarithm. And by definition part, if any expression is given in the exponential form, we shall change it into logarithmic form. While in the next question we have to do just opposite. Means the expressions will be given in the logarithmic form, and now we shall change it into exponential form. So now we shall see the second question. Given, express it in the exponential form. Question number 2, A part. Given log 121 base 11 equals to 2. Again the same definition will be used. A to the power m equal to n. Then log n base a equals to m. Again the same will be used. But this part is given. It is given and we have to write in this form, exponential form. So what is given? Compare with this. On comparing with log n base a equals to m, what do we get? A equals to 11, n equals to 121, and m equals to 2. So from here we can write 11 to the power 2 equals to 121. That will be our answer. Similarly, the G part of the same question, question number 2, part G. Given x equals to log m by n base a. Again, if you compare with this on equating with log n base a, we get m equal to x, n equals to m by n, and a equals to a itself. So this can be written as a to the power x equals to m by n. So likewise you can do the question number first and second. Now we shall move to question number third. Given express 4 as exponent of 10. Question number third given. Express 4 as exponent of 10. So we have to use this formula. Which formula will be used? A to the power log x base a equals to x itself. So we have to express 4. So 4 can be written as base 10. You just take log 4 base 10. Whereas if you compare with this one, here in place of x we have to take 4. Here in place of x will be equal to 4 on equating, and base is 10, a is 10. So if you put the value, 4 will be nothing but 10 to the power log x base 10. Similarly, third question, B part, given express 7 as exponent of 5. Exponent of 5. So in this case, what is x? We have to use this only. So in this case, on equating with log x base a to the power equals to x. So what is x here? X is 7 and a is 5. So this implies 7 can be written as 5 to the power log 7 base 5. So in this exercise we studied two parts. One, application of the formula is a to the power m equals to n, then log of n base a equals to m. This formula we studied. Some questions we solved based on this. And secondly, we studied a to the power log x base a. This will be equal to x itself. These two are the very important. This is called definition of log. This is nothing but definition of log. So likewise, you may try the other problems. And if doubt comes, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you.